Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to our St. Thomas online services. Today we are going to start activity 5-6 of unit 5. We already seen activity up to 4. Smart boy invents smart bell. Smart bell means doorbell. So in this activity 5, add Lawrence problem from the newspaper report to your list from the earlier activity. From activity 1 to 4, we have to write its experience from the newspaper report. Now work in a new group to rank the problems in order of seriousness. So here they given 2 columns, our group list plus Lawrence's problem, and in second column they given seriousness rank. So we have to write first problems, Lawrence problem and our group list. So remove plaque from arteries and veins. This is a first. Second, conversion of sweater into drinking water. Third one, some pills to control overweight and underweight. Applying gel to face to avoid shaving for a month or so. These problems created as per using applying gel to face to avoid shaving for a month or so, total immersion computer uses, smart bell to avoid burglary in the absence of the owners of the house. We have seen how to use this smart bell and how it's useful at our home. So now we go as per where did Lawrence problem rank on your list? In other words, what number did Lawrence's problem have on your list? For example, if your list ranks Lawrence as number 3, then your group believes that Lawrence's problem is the third most serious problem on the list. We have to prepare from ourselves, because of in that situation we can't gather in a group. So write as a we ranked Lawrence's problem number 6 here. We think that Lawrence's problem is the least serious problem on the list. So we have to identify from our list and Lawrence's problem. So we find out we ranked Lawrence's problem number 6 and least most serious. Okay, now we go as per activity 6. Compare your ranking for Lawrence's problem to other list in the class. So in that column, first our rank for Lawrence's problem 6. Number of list in our class that rank Lawrence problem higher than ours 5. Because total 6 problems. Out of that Lawrence rank 6. So our 5. Number of lists in our class that rank Lawrence's problem lower than ours 0. Okay. Now that down activity, our group ranked Lawrence's problem as the day's least serious problem. 5 least ranked Lorenz's problem as more serious than we did. 0 ranked Lorenz's problem as less serious than we did. So, we have to comparized by our list and Lorenz's problem. So, I already sent with PDF. Now, activity 7. Smart boy invents smart bell. Part 2. News report June 2011. When the smart bell is pressed, it waits 10 seconds to see if the home owner answers. In our home also, any unknown person ring the bell. Then they wait for replying. They wait for opening the door. So, here in this activity part 2, we see few new words. White noise means a mixture of sounds. Intercom, a system of communication by telephone or radio inside an office, house, plane, etc. Contest, a competition in which people try to win. Okay? So, when the smart bell is pressed, it waits 10 seconds to see if the home owner answers. If no one answers, the smart bell dials the owner's mobile phone. Directly, this smart bell calls the owners. The owner can answer the phone and talk to the visitor standing at the front door. The smart bell has a built-in SIM card. Already they settle this smart bell to the owner's SIM card. The smart bell creates a small amount of white noise. I explained now white noise means a mixture of sounds, unpleasant sound. We didn't like. Okay. The smart bell sounds like the owner is inside the house talking on an intercom. The white noise doesn't sound like a mobile phone. Then those who standing outside the house, they understand. This idea for his mom to talk to delivery workers even then she was not home. Then he thought that this idea could stop burglars. So, for this saving, protect from burglar, this smart bell prepared. Yes, again, soon after 10 seconds, the smart bell will ring through one's mobile phone and one will be able to answer. A family friend helped to send his design to China to a company that makes working models from designs. In this case, the burglar will not know the house is empty. He thought someone in the house because same voice as per human being. 12 months the model was built and several other big companies got ready to sell smart bell. A British schoolboy of 13 will earn up to 20.5 lakh for this innovative invention. And this little boy got 20.5 lakh for his innovative invention. From this activity part 2, we know that the little boy invented a smart bell and he earned 20.5 lakh in a year, 12 months. So from this newspaper report June 2011, we understand that Lawrence invention uses existing mobile phone technology, and as a built-in SIM card, he also made the smart bell create a small amount of white noise. How can you say that the smart bell invention became very popular? We can say that the smart bell invention became very popular because a newspaper of England published a report on it. They're famous for this smart bell. What happens if no one from inside the house answers once the bell is pressed? If no one from inside the house answers till 10 seconds after the bell is pressed, the smart bell dials the owner's mobile phone. So I prepared these question answers and other activities. So you have to write down in your notebook, and in this PDF I send full this up to activity 10 exercises. So बच्चे write down as per in textbook and notebook. Which activities in your textbook having pens and write in, no need to write in the notebook. Okay, your choice. Okay बच्चे, take care, stay home, stay safe.